Welcome back to the channel. I forgot to film an intro, but today we're going to be straight piping my Passat for some reason. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy.
Okay, here we go. Freestyle Friday number 9. Now before you jump the gun on anything, this is supposed to be like a house party type song like 2004, so sing along when you can. That clock keeps ticking like a metronome, and my thoughts keep telling me to get me home, but my balls keep telling me to let me just let me That clock keeps ticking like a metronome, and my thoughts keep telling me to get me home, but my balls keep telling me to let me just let me That clock keeps ticking like a metronome, and my thoughts keep telling me to get me home, but my balls keep telling me to let me Fuck all that shit, just let me go. Owers and tastemakers make us no chaser. Gets the blood flowing like a fucking pacemaker. Cut the middleman and inhale the vapors. Madman, old 10 Don Drapers. Cut the jukebox on, make the woofers blow. We gon' sit here and holler at the tens and spend a little dough. Not on them, no, they can buy their own drinks. Take that work week off, 5 days in the bucket. Fuck it, you got a boss who's a jerk who doesn't. Throw on some Wu-Tang, bring the motherfucking ruckus. There is no pretext, we are living and we love it on a budget. Never mind, we just nudge it to the side. Give the kids a little time, we are living till we die. Focused and we hustle, but we still be getting high. No exception to the rule, do get by, cause I keep ticking like a metro.
Oh, there we go. The back box is deleted, and I don't know if you can see it, the resonator down there is also deleted. And now I still can switch between the straight pipe and this fairly quickly with just that little clampy thing. I am going to get tips for this, don't worry, but for now it's just going to be a little agri spec. So yeah, this is the first start of the Passat with a straight pipe.